Here's how to solve this ACT problem faster using your TI-84. I'm Tina from my tutor. Let's jump in. Number 12 here says, which of the following expressions is equivalent to, and they give us this equation. So this is another case where we could plug a value into x and use our calculator to help us make sure we're not making any small arithmetic errors. So I can set any value I want equal to x. So I'm just going to do 2. So I do 2 store, which is the button above on, x. Now whenever I type x in, I'm going to get 2. And I type in exactly what the problem is. So 4 times x plus 2 plus 3 times 2x minus 1. And I get the value 25. Now all I need to do is plug the answer choices in to see which one gives me 25. 3x plus 8, 14. So that is incorrect. 5 times 2x plus 1. I got 25. G is the correct answer. If you didn't believe me or weren't sure, you could try the other answer choices as well. So 10 times x plus 1 and 15x. There you go. If you want more TI-84 shortcuts for the ACT and SAT, don't forget to follow and check out the free TI-84 starter pack in my bio.